I know. I know. Yes. Thank you. Broke it. Hi guys, we are back with the Sledge. And what have we got? More shiny aluminium stuff to put on our trucks. This is from Radical RC. And what is it? It's a replacement shock tower. No, it's a bash bar to go on the bottom of the truck. Now, a lot of you have been bending these chassis. So this goes on there, something like that. And it weighs about, I think it's about 340 grams, so it's a fair bit of weight, but it's in the right place, all in the centre of the truck. So, we're going to fit it. Hopefully no angle grinds or big hammers are going to be needed. Give it a run and see what it does.
Right, so that's that one. That's the long screw at the front. Goes right into the chassis. You see some abuse. Look at the scuffs on here. So then, let's see.
You set the centre screws out as well?
I do, you're right.
Just let it go. Test fit. Go on, do
yeah, so you can see that it's gonna...
Test fit, looks, it slides under the front there.
Holes line up perfectly.
Look at that quality, no podging needed.
Nice kink on the front to match the chassis, that's good.
Look at that, that's an industrial grade bit of aluminium.
Yeah, so slightly longer screws to account for the thickness of the bar. So once the screw goes through here...
Be the same length into the car.
Very close.
Yes, perfect.
So
right.
That's the plan.
Bosh it on.
I'm just going to go very gently.
No. Get the yoga dugger on it.
No, I'm just going to get them all in.
Some people do nut and bolt through a centre too. I'm thinking with this, it's possibly on this.
But we know people have been bending these chassis.
Yeah, that's pretty
Depends
good.
how hard you drive the thing.
Right.
So that is everything
loose. I'm just going to put those
Feels
long
like
ones.
a glove, doesn't it?
It does, it's good.
Right, get those screws tightened up.
Right.
All done.
That's all done.
And if you can see, guys, I didn't realise these bolts actually sit quite a way into there, so probably longer bolts are not really necessary. But look at that, isn't that nice and shiny? You ain't going to bend that chassis now.
Nice and flush at both ends.
Fits in there. I mean, it is certainly some of the alloy stuff we've had has been pretty. Some of it's been poor quality, but this is lovely quality.
Beveled edges.
Oh, it has got beveled edges. Look at that. Yeah, it's not a sharp edge on it. That's nice, isn't it? So it's on, guys. Half a day's work to fit it? No, it's only 10-15 minutes to fit it. It goes on easy. There's no modifications needed at all. Even as I said, the longer bolts you don't really need. So we're going to give it a rip. We'll compare it to obviously my one, which is standard, which hasn't got these on. See if it feels any different. The extra 300 grams, will it feel any different? Obviously power to weight might make a little bit of a difference, but with that weight lower down, it might be more stable. So let's see what happens. It's shiny. How long will it last?
Forever.
No. We had a nightmare today, guys. If you look there, X-Max hasn't worked. Sledge has knackered the tyres up. So we've had to commandeer the boys' Max to race again. So are you going to race it? Yeah. I don't know. We'll see, guys. Right, so we're going to see what difference this makes. How long will it stay that shiny for?
Right, so let's see how this feels. Can I feel 340 grams underneath or not? Hopefully not. I worked out it's the same as the Badlands, less than the Badlands I used to run, so I don't actually feel any different at all, to be honest. Still ripped. Woo! Plenty of gas. It's just the weight for the handling. Does it feel, I don't know, does it feel, I don't know. I think it feels about the same. It's hard to tell. Haven't driven it for about 2 weeks.
Let's see if there's any scratches on it already.
I don't really mind, to be honest.
No, just for curiosity. Look at that, no issues. Not driving it hard enough.
Oh, you
But
just
look at all the mud on the back.
Yeah, that's what you want mud guards for. All right, let's have a go with the Max then. Let's see if
The first good day of weather we had in the UK, and 2 of my cars have broken.
bad prep, I reckon.
Yeah, I think you're probably right.
It's too much 1/10 racing. Should stop all that nonsense and go big all the time. That's never gonna happen. Yep.
Oh, I've got a lot of brake. First time I've driven this truck. That's the boys' truck. Oh,
Phone
on the
issues.
wheels.
You're still going, you're still going. Alright.
Oh, the cones have gone everywhere. The cones are everywhere.
Just been driving the X-Max. This could feel more different,
nice.
but
More
I
luck
suppose
than
that's
judgment.
in a good way. Oh, it's on his wheels. On his wheels. I can hear plastic getting crunched
cones on
behind
every
me.
corner so far.
I don't... Wow,
Yeah.
it's just a minefield of plastic in the middle. I don't think professional racers have to worry about this stuff, you know.
I think most of it is me. I haven't got a lot of brake.
Whoa.
Oh, he spun out.
Hello.
Oh, that's a nice line. Ah,
That's it, take him out, take him.
Oscar, don't look what's happening to your truck.
We roll.
Where all the plastic is.
Oh.
Oh! Please
Line
stay
is a
on its
line.
wheels.
Wow, we need to fix these cones.
Oh! No, they didn't hit the ones over there. Everything else I think I've hit. Oh.
Max V2 number 2.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh!
Still
It's
liking the
wheeling all
wheelie
over
bar.
the
You can
place.
get right on the power without any fear of falling over.
Come on, cut past him. It's so quiet. The Max is so
Yeah,
quiet.
why does the Sledge not come with a wheelie bar as standard, but the Max does when it's cheaper?
Oh, it wants to wheelie a lot though. Here we go. No brakes. I really need to turn the brakes up on this a little bit more.
Oh, understeer.
Feathering the throttle. Not a lot of grip round there. No racing line round there, of course. Oh, please stay on its wheels. That was a long way to
falling
walk.
over.
Here we go. Last lap. Oh, not sure what happened there.
As usual, surprisingly
got it
close,
now.
really,
Oh.
isn't it?
Yeah, he's got this one now.
I'll just
Oh.
take it easy now. Oh,
Oh, I'm not getting it.
footage required. Anyway, that's 2-0 to the Sledge. Switching of trucks.
Swap trucks. Which one am I? The blue one. You ready then?
Yep. Oh, with no brakes.
Yeah, there is a lot of brakes on it.
What the hell?
I forgot to tell you about that.
There's no brakes.
There is very little brakes. You could probably also be known as no brakes.
Should I fix that now?
Put a little bit on if you want. Right, reset. We've sorted the brakes out-ish. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, wheelies.
I can see wheeling behind.
And I beat my own Sledge. Whoa! This has got oversteer.
He's finding the Max. Does have a bit of
lot of oversteer.
slidey under power.
Oh,
And it does that quite well. Sledge is quite easy to drive in
I
comparison.
wouldn't call this Max style just yet.
It's actually locking the front wheels on the brakes, watch. Yes.
How's the Sledge feeling?
Sledge feels good, it feels very planted.
After a Max it probably is.
Still hits the cones
no.
though. Bit of power understeer. Lift of the front wheel. Yeah! I can see where he's going. He'll want to swap back after this one.
Got a lot of oversteer this, I can't. I'm not making a very good job of driving it.
Oh, I might have hit some cones up the top.
Oh! Okay then.
There was some cones to mark out where we went up the top there.
That's the problem with having more cones. It makes more mess when you drive over them. The handling's very oversteering.
It is very oversteering. Here we go again, other way around. Right, nailed it off the
Pretty
line
close.
that time. Oh, quite a long way up there.
Sledge feels a lot more sure-footed after the
It
Max.
does, doesn't it? It's the driver that's keeping the Max in front at the moment. Park it on the line. Oh, look at that, nice! Easy driving it, easy driving. Oh, it wants to spin out. Oh, we went around the out, right around the outside. Cones, cones. Come on, come back to me, come back to me. He's got the lead now, so I think
Good
he'll
old
have it.
Sledge. Handling's lovely.
Oh, it's a nice line.
Full power. More than enough for this circuit.
I might have just gone the wrong side
Haven't
of
even
those
turned up
cars.
the
And that
turbo boost.
one. And that one. And that one.
To be honest, I can't feel a difference from the weight bar, from the weight of the bar. It just feels fine.
It's got a little bit of top end on me. Oh, damn cones. More cones.
Just a pile of plastic coming
Cones
behind.
are going everywhere. Oh, come up there. He didn't see that. It was on one wheel. Can't judge that corner there. Keep going wide of it. Oh, that was nice. Oh, we've got a tight line up the inside. We're going up the inside. No, we're not.
Ooh, I was on two
We
wheels for
both went wide. Oh, no!
Oh, he's coming, he's coming.
Giving it to him.
I already had it, you know that.
Giving it to him. Oh, it's been more time on one wheel. Damn thing. To be slaughtered again.
Shall I go flat out the whole race? And
Go on
see,
then, yeah.
See if what gap we can get. Yep. Oh, they're still pausing for self-destruction and reassembly. What happened in the middle of a straight then?
I don't know. It spun round on itself and then wanted to fall over.
Oh. Oh, I've had an idea.
Oh, crying out loud.
Hungry?
Yes.
Not really enough to lose stuff there.
Thank you. Look at that.
That was nothing.
No, I know. Come on then. Oh,
Come on then.
Don't put the shell on properly.
We'll try and make our way around the idea of a course through here, I think.
Yeah, where is it? It's somewhere around here. Somewhere around there. Here you go. Come on, in here. Oh, it's weird.
Just leaving.
Slides out, then it grips up on wheelies.
Unless he cheats. He's never
Oh, but
catching me
the
up
cone's
again.
getting its way. Right, here we go. Oh, that was nice. That was not bad.
I now own a two-wheel drive sledge.
Oh, the map's for the win then. Hey!
Yeah, I think I'll stop there.
Here we go. To finish first you have to finish.
I could have finished in two-wheel drive. I probably had a big enough lead, but yeah.
It's been a day of mechanicals.
Yeah.
What have you done?
Don't know. Something at the front, probably. I'll turn it off and have a quick look. That doesn't feel right.
Something in the diff because the centre prop's not turning around. I suspect probably the pin's probably come out.
Oh, it's there. I can see it. It's right there.
Oh yeah, down there.
Perfect.
Simple fix. Right guys, it's been a lovely day and it's been an absolute nightmare running trucks today. This is broke. The X-Max didn't run properly. My sledge broke. The only thing that didn't break was the X-Max and the Max, but the Max handled atrocious. But this video is all about this bash bar on the bottom of it. So I haven't looked at it myself. What damage have we done to it? Any scratches?
There's some slight scuffings.
You can't expect anything bad though,
No.
can you? That's pretty good. But look at that.
There's
That
some pretty big
is-
stones where we run, and
And the handling options, what did it feel like? Better?
I think it's the same. It doesn't really feel any different. Like I said, it's lighter. It's less weight than when I had the Badlands on.
Exactly. And when I drove it, it certainly feels as sure-footed as ever. So, if you're skate parking it, you've got to put it on. You've got to put it on because it saves this chassis. You're never going to bend it. I don't think we'll probably bend it even if we're running it around our tracks, but it's shiny and it looks nice.
Very shiny.
Very shiny. We like shiny things. So, click on that subscribe button and hopefully we'll get all these trucks fixed soon, so we'll have some more things to come. I'm wide of it. Oh, that was nice. Oh, we've got a tight line up the inside. We're going up the inside. No, we're not. That's a nice. Ah! Oscar, don't look what's happening to your truck. Broke it. Yes. Thank you.
I know.